The boys from Calabar High are intent on reclaiming their ISA Champs title when the event gets going next Tuesday at the National Stadium. The Red Hills Road-based school saw their 7-year title streak snapped by Kingston College when the championship was last held in 2019. Jordan Fort puts the spotlight on the multiple-time champions in our countdown to champs.
Calabar captain Evaldo Whitehorn feels confident going into this year's ISA Boys and Girls Championships. The final year Class 1 athlete ran 46.54 seconds to finish third at Champs in 2019, and he is now targeting sub-46 to close his high school career.
Despite the 2020 season, I was aiming for 45 seconds, but for this season, I'm on much better shape. But it's just a process for me because I understand the type of athlete I am, and I understand what it takes in order to make it on that big day.
Like other final year athletes, Whitehorn is happy to get one more shot at Champs this year as he is looking to earn a scholarship.
I've been in various discussions with coaches and with my family, and also my family would actually help me in terms of guiding me in terms of going to the right college so that I can get the right transition in my track and field career to the professional level.
The Red Hills Road-based school won 7 straight titles from 2012 to 2018, but the path to championships has been made trickier this year, according to coach Michael Clark.
The unpredictability of the championship was hanging so heavily in the air that if you plan for plan A, you find that you have to miss plan B and go to straight to plan D. So it's an haphazard program.
But despite that, Whitehorn feels the team still has the winning mentality.
I'm confident as a captain because I have to set the example for the other guys and for both Class 3 coming up to Class 1. Because us as champions, we know how to win champs. We have the experience because we won 7 years straight, very gracefully, and we have high hopes of winning these championships. We just have to keep the right mindset.
The ISA Boys and Girls Championships takes place from May 11 to 15 at the National Stadium, with live and exclusive coverage on TVJ, TVJSN, Hits 92 FM, and OneSpotMedia.com.
The J3A's qualification